Bullish Mana value forecast is 41 cents to $1.60. Decentraland cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Mana negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 35 cents. In Decentraland cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Mana to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Decentraland current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Decentraland is 39 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,012,842 at the hour of composing. In any case, Mana has expanded by almost 2.2% as of now. Besides, Decentraland has a flowing inventory of 1,815,708,133 Mana. As of now, Decentraland exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and FMFW.io. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the local badge of Decentraland, a decentralized computer-generated simulation stage. Mana was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token. Clients buy different in-game resources utilizing Mana. They likewise get casting of ballot rights by holding Decentraland tokens. Decentraland conveys two distinct tokens, Mana and Land. Mana fills in as the administration token and computerized cash of the undertaking. Land are the local non-fungible tokens that address the plots of the metaverse. The novel highlights of Decentraland convinced famous brands to introduction to the metaverse. Beginning from Samsung to JP Morgan, they laid out their undertakings in Decentraland. Strangely, crypto fans from Arizona embraced Decentraland to orchestrate their first metaverse marriage. Decentraland value expectation 2022. Decentraland stands firm on the 57th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. Mana cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above outline of Mana laid a climbing triangle design. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is shaped by a level upward trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that interfaces the rising lows. In the event that the pattern breaks out at the obstruction level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. Presently, Decentraland is in the scope of 39 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Mana could arrive at the obstruction levels of 41 cents and 44 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Mana might tumble to 35 cents. Decentraland backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Decentraland. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Decentraland. Resistance level 1 61 cents, resistance level 2 $1.06, resistance level 3 $1.60, support level 37 cents. The graphs show that Decentraland has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Mana could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $1.60. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Decentraland could fall to nearly 37 cents, a negative sign. Decentraland value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Decentraland is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Mana lies underneath the end line, showing more fragile members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Decentraland is displayed in the outline above. Presently, Mana is in a negative state. Eminently, Decentraland cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Mana whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the Mana is 33.86. This implies that Decentraland is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Mana might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Decentraland value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Decentraland. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Decentraland. As of now, ADX of Mana lies in the scope of 49.58, so it shows serious areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise addresses the general instability file of Decentraland. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Mana lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Decentraland is at 33.86, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Mana with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Decentraland. From the above diagram, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and MANA are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and MANA likewise increment or reduction individually. Decentraland Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Decentraland could presumably achieve $3 by 2023. Decentraland Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Decentraland could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, MANA could revitalize to hit $4 by 2024. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, MANA would energize to hit $5. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. If Decentraland supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, MANA would revitalize to hit $7. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, MANA would revitalize to hit $9. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. Regardless of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, if Decentraland holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could drive critical cost rallies. In this way, by 2028, MANA would hit $11. Decentraland Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Decentraland, it would observe significant spikes. MANA could hit $13 by 2029. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030. Subsequently, Decentraland could hit $15 by 2030. And, with ceaseless upgrades in the Decentraland organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for MANA. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Decentraland in 2022 is $1.60. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Decentraland environment, the exhibition of MANA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.85 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $2 in the event that the financial backers accept that MANA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Decentraland? MANA is the local digital money of Decentraland, a blockchain-based metaverse. Decentraland was sent off in 2017. 3. Will Decentraland come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Decentraland stage, MANA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Decentraland? On November 25, 2021, Decentraland arrived at its new all-time high of $5.85. 5. Is Decentraland a wise interest in 2022? Decentraland is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishment